Good morning, students. All of you, good morning. Yes. Let us continue the lesson. The Dear Departed, part 1. So already up to where we have completed, let us see. So here, that Victoria says that she is not willing to go to grandpa's room because grandpa is dead. So she is scared to enter into grandpa's room. That's why she said that I can't go to that room. I won't go to grandpa's room like that. Immediately mother, what she said? Slatter. So she said that don't talk so silly. You don't talk so silly. No one is there to hurt you. There no one is there to do some harm to you. అక్కడ నేను ఎవరు ఏం చేయరు వెళ్ళి తీసుకోరా like that. What did she ask her to bring? Bunch of keys. Okay, the keys of that bureau. So she asked her to bring that bunch of keys because they want to open that drawer and they have to check whether the receipt of that LIC premium was there. Just they want to check it. ఆ స్లిప్ ఏమైనా అందులో పెట్టారేమో, రిసీట్ ఏమైనా అందులో పెట్టారేమో బ్యూరోలో, just they want to check. That's why she asked her daughter Victoria to go up and bring that keys, bunch of keys. Okay, fine. Now let us see page number 43. Page number 43, all of you open page number 43. In the textbook, page number 43, ma? Yes. Now Ben. So who is Ben, ma? Who is Ben? Who is Ben? Elizabeth's husband. So what he is telling, see, in where? In this thing, he rises and examines it. So here, the Slatter, what did she say? That Amelia Slatter, she said that you go and get the keys of that bureau. Then immediately he asked, Indulo betara, Indulo. So here, it means what? Bureau lo betara. So why he has kept in this bureau? So grandpa ఉండేది ఎక్కడ పైన, బ్యూరో ఎక్కడ ఉంది కింద. ఆల్రెడీ దే హావ్ షిఫ్టెడ్ దట్ వన్. పైన ఉన్న బ్యూరోని కిందకి తీసుకొచ్చి పెట్టేశారు కదా. సో వై ఇట్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ బ్యూరో లైక్ దట్, హీ గాట్ డౌట్. అప్పుడే అతనికి డౌట్ వచ్చినట్టుంది. ఒకవేళ అతను కనుక రిసిప్ట్ పెట్టాలంటే పైనే ఉన్నాయి కదా డ్రాయర్స్, అందులో పెట్టొచ్చు కదా. సో ఇందులో ఎందుకు పెట్టాడు అన్నట్టు, ఇన్ వేర్, ఇన్ దిస్ థింగ్ హీ రైజెస్ అండ్ ఎగ్జామిన్స్ ఇట్. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ సి మిసెస్ జోర్డన్ ఆల్సో రైజింగ్, where did you pick that up, Amelia? Is it new since last I was here? So she expressed her doubt because when she came last time it was not there. Ame Elizabeth intaku mundu vachinappudu intlo a bureau ledu. So that is new one. Then she asked, where did you buy this one? When did you bring this one? Like that she asked few questions related to that bureau. So adi chakkaga kanapadutundi. That's why she inquired about that one. When did you buy? Ekkada teeskocharu, eppudu teeskocharu idi? When I came last time it was not there. Nenu last time vachinappudu idi lede. Like that she asked. Okay. So Mrs. Slatter, what she said, see, oh, Henry picked it up one day. So she said that Henry brought that one day. So mine teeskocharu dinni. So she didn't say that father has brought that one. Father techaru ante emaitundi, even she will come for that, just she may ask her to give that one. నాకు కూడా ఇవ్వు, అయితే నాకు కావాలి అంటుందేమో, గొడవకు వస్తుందేమో అని, భాగంకి వస్తుందేమో అని. What did she say? Henry brought this one day. మా ఆయన తీసుకొచ్చారు ఒక రోజు, like that she said. And Victoria returns very scared. She closes the door after her. So where did she go, Victoria? She went up to bring the bunch of keys. Keys తీసుకురావడానికి వెళ్ళింది కదా అమ్మాయి. Yes, Mahendra.
Bye, Pavane.
మహేంద్ర
ఒక్క నిమిషం మేడం. మా పావని అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకో. మాయ్ లైన్స్ ఎందుకు వేస్తాను మాయ్? మాయ్ వింటున్నావా లేదా? పావని అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకో.
అన్మ్యూట్ మా, అన్మ్యూట్ చేయి, అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోమ్మా. లైన్స్ ఎందుకు వేస్తున్నావు పావని?
స్లైడ్స్ మీద లైన్స్ ఎందుకు వేస్తానమ్మాయి?
Sit silently and listen, ma. Don't do such kind of things. Okay, fine.
పావని
Listen, ma.
మేడం, పావని అఖిల మేడం కాల్ చేయి. చెప్తా నీ కథ చెప్తా ఉండు మేడం. కంటిన్యూషన్ మేడం.
Okay, Mahendra. Yes, here just she came back and she is scared. భయపడుతూ వచ్చేసిందండి అమ్మాయి వెనక్కి. She got scared and she returns and she closes the door after her. Door close చేసేసి just she came back. భయపడుతూ అక్కడ నుండి వచ్చేసిందంట. So what is the reason why she has come? ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళింది తను? So she went to her grandpa's room. Grandpa's room లోకి వెళ్ళింది. After that she came back and she got scared. భయపడుతున్న అమ్మాయి భయపడుతూ వెనక్కి వచ్చేసిందంట. And see, Victoria, what she is telling, mother, mother, like that she said. Mother, mother. Slatter. What is it, child? Okay, what happened? What is it, child? Why are you so scared? ఎందుకమ్మా అంత భయపడుతున్నావు? What happened? Like that she asked. Victoria, grandpa is getting up. Grandpa is getting up. Like that she said. తాతగారు లేచి నిలబడుతున్నారు, లేస్తున్నారు. So grandpa is getting up, like that she said. Ben, what? Hey, Slater, what do you say? These people, they got shocked and already they confirmed that he is dead. But Victoria, what she is telling, he got up and he is getting up and just he is coming, like that she said. So immediately everyone, they expressed their shock. They are telling, what do you say? And Victoria, grandpa is getting up. Once again she has repeated the same sentence. Grandpa is getting up. Yes, Jordan, the child is crazy. So immediately no one has believed her words. So when she is telling that grandpa is getting, these people, they didn't believe her. And immediately they said, she's silly and she's childish, she is foolish, like that they are telling. Slattersy, don't talk so silly. Don't you know your grandpa is dead? Immediately Slatter, her mother, what she said, what are you talking, my dear child? And don't talk too silly. Don't talk like a foolish kid. Already you know that your grandpa is dead. Already మీ తాతగారు చనిపోయారు. Then how can he stand? How can he get up? And how can he come? మళ్ళీ ఎలా లేస్తారు? Grandpa ఎలా లేచి నిలబడతారు? ఎలా వస్తారు? So don't talk foolish, like that she warned her. Victoria, no, he is getting up. I saw him. They are transfixed with amazement. Victoria clings to Mrs. Slatter. So she said that, no, what I said is correct. నేను చెప్తున్నదంతా నిజమే. Just I saw him. I saw my grandpa. Just I saw he is standing. He was getting up. I saw him. And after that, what she has done, she got just scared. No, immediately she went and hugged her mother. As small children, what they will do? If they are scared, means immediately they will go and hide behind their parents, or they will go and they may hug their parents. Now she is very small. That's why she went and hugged her mother. And here these people, no, they got shocked by hearing that news that grandpa is getting up. They got that is transfixed, means they are shocked. And they are confused also. What she is telling, like that, they got confused and they are shocked also. Next, sudden. Yes, listen. So immediately just he said that this is exclamation they used. His the interjection they used. When he said that, his, listen. So they heard some sound from that room. So he said that, listen, some sounds we are getting from that room, like that. So they look at the door. A sight, chuckling is heard from upstairs. The door opens, revealing an old man clad in a faded but gay dressing gown. So immediately he has directed, see there, like that. So everyone has observed some sound chuckling sound has come, that is a laughing sound has come. So that is a quiet laughing sound has come. And after that they have observed that side. A man was standing there at the door, and he is an old man. Clad means dressed. He is dressing in a faded but gay dressing gown. That rich gown which is faded, but the color is faded, but a rich gown he is wearing. And he is in his stocking feet. Stocking feet means socks he is wearing. for just you know that in cold countries people they'll be wearing that gloves, socks, everything they will wear. So here he is also wearing that socks. Although over 70. So what is his age? Already they have mentioned that one, 72 years. So he is around 70 years old. And he is vigorous and well colored. His bright, malicious eyes twinkle under his heavy reddish gray eyebrows. So these are, they are just witty eyes. They are not quiet or calm eyes. They are not innocent eyes he has. So they are just harmful eyes. Malicious means harmful, cunning eyes he has. So they are twinkling, merusunai. Eyes suchi merusunai, kallu merusunai. So where they are means they are under his heavy reddish gray eyebrows. So the eyebrows, how they are, thick eyebrows are there and reddish gray. So they are in reddish gray color eyebrows. Under that eyebrows, that eyes are twinkling like anything. He is obviously either the old man. So he is obviously either the old man, Abel Merriweather, or else his ghost. Now they are in confusion whether real Abel Merriweather has come or his ghost has appeared there. So athan nijangane Abel Merriweather ochada lekapothe athan deyam ochinda lekapothe athan soul ochinda. So they didn't understand that one because already they thought that he is dead. Athan chanipoyadu anukunnaru. Unnattundi aa chanipoyina athan లేసి వస్తే ఏమనుకుంటారమ్మా ఎవరైనా దెయ్యం వచ్చిందనే అనుకుంటారు. So here they thought that they are in confusion whether their father has come or the ghost has appeared in front of them. So this is the first part. Okay, we have completed the first part. So we have to continue the second part. Then only we'll get the clarity. The complete story we will get. So let us continue that next part. Mahendra, next slide, page number 45. Ma. Open page number 45, children. Page number 45. The Dear Departed, part 2. So already we have completed part 1 and the same characters and the same story will continue here. So this is continuation of part 1. Okay. So Bahubali part 2 is there now. So here Dear Departed part 2 this is. Okay. Continuation of Dear Departed part 1. So the same characters will be there. How many characters are there? How many characters? You can give the lip movement. 7 characters are there. Yes. Abel, grandfather. For him, 2 daughters. What are their names? Amelia, Elizabeth. Amelia marries Henry and Elizabeth marries Ben. So Amelia and Henry, they have 1 daughter called Victoria. Elizabeth and Ben, they have 1 son called Jimmy. So only 6 characters will be coming in this play. Only the Jimmy character we will hear, but no dialogues. He will not appear in the play. This is 1 act play. So first part we have completed. Now let us see the second part. So this is unexpected scene. So people, they got relaxed and they are thinking how to share the property of the father. At that time, whom they thought as dead, he reappeared. Okay, he appeared. He has come back. So now let us see. The scene will be very interesting now. The Dear Departed part 2. Let us see how it is. So you have to remember the things already. That Amelia has offered that father slippers to her husband. Okay. A bureau also they have brought. They brought down. And even along with that, 1 clock also they have brought. And she has brought that clock. And where did she keep that one? She kept that one on the mantelpiece. That fireplace is there, no, that almirah is there, no, there she has kept. So now they are answerable for these 3 things. First one, slippers. Second one, bureau. And third one is clock. Now let us see how the play continues. Now Abel, what is the matter with little Vicky? Here Vicky is nothing but Victoria. So now that grandpa is calling that girl as Vicky. So what is the matter with little Vicky? So like that he asks, because he doesn't know all these drama. So what they are playing, he doesn't know all these things. He sees Ben and Mrs. Jordan. Hello, what brings you here? How is yourself, Ben? So he didn't expect that 2 members there unexpectedly. Just he is seeing Okay, that two members, that couple. Then he asked, hey, so he sees Ben and Mrs. Jordan. Hello, what brings you here? So why did you come here all of a sudden? Like that he questioned. And how is yourself? How are you, Ben? Like that he asked. Who is Ben? His son-in-law. So he inquired, how are you, Ben? Like that he asked. Abel thrust his hand at Ben, who skips back smartly and retreats with Mrs. Jordan to a safe distance below the sofa. So after that, he has pressed his hand. You know that is a custom, that is tradition. So if you meet someone new people or known people, first greet. How they will wish, they will shake hand. So he has shaken hand with his son-in-law. After that, he turned towards his daughter. Okay, see here, Mrs. Slater approaching Abel Ginger. Father, is that you? So now she is still there in confusion state only. And she asked, Father, is that you? You are only father. So here you only, Nuvena Nana, like that she asked. And she pokes him with her hand to see if he is solid. And what she is doing, she poked Guchudandanta. So father me. Deyama lekapota manisha. So whether he is ghost or real human being, she is checking. How she is checking? She is poking with her fingers, with her hand. She is poking here her father. So touches appudu telustundi kadamma solid ga unte manishe. So like that she is examining. Abel, of course it is me. Don't do that, Amelia. What the devil do you mean by this tomfoolery? So he said that. So what is that foolish behavior, Amelia? Why are you doing like that? I'm your father only. So what are you doing? So he asked Amelia, what is this? What are you doing? And why are you poking me like that? I'm your father only. Don't do such kind of foolish things. And Mrs. Jordan, you took us by surprise. Father, are you keeping quite well? So here, once again, this Jordan, that is Elizabeth, she expressed her doubt. You took us by surprise. You took us by surprise. You have given great surprise to us. Father, are you keeping quite well? So you are keeping quite well for this much time, like that she asked. Abel, trying to catch the words, what? He is not able to understand what these people are talking. వాళ్ళు ఏమేమి మాట్లాడుతున్నారు అతనికి అర్థం కావడం లేదు. వీళ్ళకి ఏమైనా పిచ్చి పట్టిందా, ఒక అమ్మాయి వచ్చేమో ఇలా టచ్ చేసి చూస్తుంది, ఇంకొక అమ్మాయి ఏమో విచిత్రంగా మాట్లాడుతుంది. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్? అండ్ హీ ఈస్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ వాట్ దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్, బట్ హీ ఈస్ ట్రైంగ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్. Mrs. Jordan, are you quite well? So immediately, are you okay, Dad? Are you okay? Like that she asked. Abel, yeah, I'm right enough, but for a bit of a headache. So he said that I'm okay, no problem, but a bit headache I have, that's all. Nothing else. కొద్దిగా తలనొప్పిగా ఉంది. That's all, nothing else. I'm very good, I'm fine, like that. Looking at Amelia. Amelia, what the dickens did I do with my new slippers? And he got angry. And he has observed that his son-in-law is wearing his slippers. Already, she has forced, Amelia has forced her husband to take that slippers. And he said, already he said that, Henry, he said that is very small and I can't use that one. But what did she say? She said that I won't leave you. Just you have to wear that one. I won't allow you to waste those slippers. Avi waste avadam nenu oppukonu. Just you have to wear like that. She forced, she compelled him and she has given the slippers. Atani just veskovalsinde ani pattubatti atani daggara slippers veichindi kada. So now he got angry by observing that he is wearing his slippers. Alludu tana slippers veskonde tana kopam vachesindi chusi vendane he questioned. So what did he ask? What the dickens did I do with my new slippers? What is he doing with my new slippers? Why is he wearing my new slippers? Like that he questioned. Mrs. Slater, confused. Aren't they by the hurt, father? So just immediately he said that, oh, you are asking about your new slippers, which is there beside the fireplace. So fireplace pakkan unnai kada, aa slippers gurincha meer adigedi, like that. So now she is not getting any words. Em cheppalo artham kavadam ledu. She is totally confused. Abel, I don't see them. Observing Henry trying to remove the slippers. Why you have got got them on Henry. So he observed and then one చూడలేదు. After that, this Henry is removing slowly. దొంగలాగా ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు, కాలు కేసుకున్న స్లిప్పర్స్ ని హెన్రీ తీయేస్తున్నాడు. So immediately he has observed that one. So Henry, why did you wear my slippers? నువ్వు నా స్లిప్పర్స్ ఎందుకు వేసుకున్నావు, మళ్ళీ ఎందుకు విడిచిపెడుతున్నావు? Like that he questioned. Mahendra, next slide. See page number 46 mark. Page number 46. Mahendra, next slide. Eyes. Now let us see. Mrs. Slater, I told him to put them on to stretch them. They were that new and hard. Now, Henry. So here, immediately she has changed the topic and she is telling that I only asked him to wear and stretch it because new slippers will be little bit hard. కొత్త చెప్పులు కొంచెం హార్డ్ గా ఉంటాయి. సో వాట్ దే విల్ డు, దే మే బై ఇట్ ఆల్సో. వేసుకుంటే ఒక్కోసారి ఏం చేస్తుంది, అది కొరికేస్తాయి కదమ్మా. దట్స్ వై ఐ ఓన్లీ ఆస్క్డ్ హిమ్ టు వేర్ అండ్ స్ట్రెచ్ ఇట్. మీకోసమని నేనే ఒకసారి కొంచెం వేసి దాన్ని స్ట్రెచ్ చేయమని చెప్పాను హెన్రీని. ఇప్పుడే అందుకని అది చేస్తున్నారు. లైక్ దట్ షీ హాస్ చేంజ్డ్ ద టాపిక్. అండ్ సి మిస్సెస్ స్లాటర్ snatches the slippers from Henry and gives them to Abel, who puts them on and sits in the armchair. Immediately she has taken the slippers from her husband and she grabbed చేసుకొని లాక్కొని just she has given to her father. After that he wore the slippers and he sat on the armchair. So వేసుకొని armchair లో కూర్చున్నాడు రిలాక్స్డ్ గా. ఎవరు? Abel. So what is his name? Abel Merriweather. Okay. So Amelia and Elizabeth's father. ఆయన armchair లో కూర్చున్నారు. Okay, relaxed గా. Mrs. Jordan to Ben. Well, I don't call that delicate. Stepping into a dead man's shoes in such haste. So వీళ్ళిద్దరు ఏం చెప్తున్నారు? Slowly she is telling to Ben. వాళ్ళ ఆయనకి చెప్తుంది ఎలిజబెత్. So I don't think that is good. Immediately అంత అర్జెంట్, అంత ఆత్రం ఏమి వీళ్ళకి, చచ్చిపోయిన ఆయన చెప్పులో కాలు పెట్టడానికి అంత అర్జెంట్ ఏమి? సో అక్కడ ఒక పక్క నాన్న చనిపోయింటే వెంటనే ఆ చెప్పులు వేసుకోవాల్సిన అంత అర్జెంట్ ఏమొచ్చింది వీళ్ళకి? సో లైక్ దట్ షీ టోల్డ్ టు బెన్. సో విక్టోరియా runs across to Abel and sits on the floor at his feet. Actually she likes her grandpa like anything. So she went towards her grandpa and she sat there. అక్కడ grandpa ఒళ్ళో కూర్చునిందంట. Okay, now see. Oh grandpa, I'm so glad you are not dead. So చిన్నపిల్లలు you know very well. పెద్దవాళ్ళు మాట్లాడుకున్నవి పెద్దవాళ్ళు just they may hide those words, but children they reveal. పెద్దవాళ్ళు ఏమన్నా చెప్పకుండా దాచిపెట్టేది కూడా చిన్నపిల్లలు రివీల్ చేసేస్తారు కదమ్మా, చెప్పేస్తూ ఉంటారు. సో ఈవెన్ హియర్ ఆల్సో she revealed the topic and she asked directly, oh grandpa, I'm so glad you are not dead. నాకు చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది మీరు చనిపోలేదు. Like that she asked. And see, Mrs. Slater in a vindictive whisper, hold your tongue Victoria. So here they want to hide that matter. వాళ్ళ నాన్నకు తెలియకుండా వీళ్ళు మేనేజ్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో ఇమీడియట్లీ ఆ అమ్మాయి ఏమనింది, just Victoria, just shut your mouth, hold your tongue, don't say all those things. నోరు మూసుకొని కూర్చో, అవంతా చెప్పకు. Like that she controlled her daughter. Yeah, what is that? Who has gone dead? So immediately he got doubt. Who has gone dead? నువ్వు చనిపోలేదు, నాకు చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంటే ఎవరు చనిపోయారు? Why is she asking like that? Why the little kid is asking all these things? Like that just he asked. Mrs. Slater immediately loudly, Victoria says she has sorry about your head, not dead. So dad, dead అని చెప్పలేదు, తను హెడ్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతుంది. So now only you said that you have that headache అన్నారు కదా. So that's why she is feeling very bad about your headache. మీరు హెడేక్ గా ఉందన్నారు కదా, తను దానికోసం బాధపడుతుంది. సో డెడ్ అని లేదు, హెడ్ అని. జస్ట్ ఇమీడియట్లీ షీ చేంజ్ ద వర్డ్. డెడ్ నుంచి హెడ్ గా మార్చేసింది తను. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ విక్కీ, బట్ ఐఎమ్ ఫీలింగ్ బెటర్. సో హీ ఫెల్ట్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ and he said that I'm very happy now Vicky, don't worry, I'm feeling better. Now it got reduced, I'm very happy, so no need to worry about that one. Abel, why Ben, you are in mourning, and Lizzie too, and Amelia and Henry and little Vicky. Who has gone dead? It is someone in the family. So immediately he has observed all these people, they are in black color. They are wearing black color suit or black color dress they are wearing. So he got doubt. Why are you in mourning? So why are you in that black color dress? Everyone. Lizzie means here Elizabeth. Amelia, Elizabeth, Ben, Henry, and Victoria. All these members, they are in black color only. That's why he inquired, who is dead in our family? So if someone is dead in our family, then only will wear black color. Now, just tell me, who is dead in our family? Evaru chanipoyaru? Mana intlo mana family lo evaru chanipoyaru? So why are you wearing black color dress? Like that he inquired. Yes, Hitchcock's. అని చెప్పి నవ్వారు. ఓకే, అందరూ ఒకేసారి బ్లాక్ వేసుకున్నాడు, ఎవరన్నా పోయారా ఏంటి మన ఇంట్లో? లైక్ దట్ హి ఆస్క్డ్. మిసెస్ స్లాటర్, no one you know father, a relation of Ben's. Immediately స్లాటర్ ఏం చేసింది, అమెలియా ఏం చెప్పింది? Immediately she said that one of Ben's relation is dead. సో ఎవరో బెన్ వాళ్ళ రిలేషన్ చనిపోయారంట. లైక్ దట్ immediately she has changed the topic. And what relation of Ben's? What relation? Ben wala బంధువులంటే ఎవరు? Like that he inquired. His brother. Immediately she said that his brother, వాళ్ళ brother చనిపోయారంట, వాళ్ళ అన్ననో తమ్ముడు brother చనిపోయారంట. Like that she said. To Mrs. Slater, damn it, I never had one. So Ben, he said that I don't have brothers only. So immediately she said that Ben's brother, he said that I don't have brother only. So damn it, I don't have brother only. Like that he said. Dear, and I said, dear, and what was his name, Ben? So immediately he inquired. He is asking all the details. Brother means, what is his name? Like that he asked. So now see, they didn't plan this just an incident. What are the things are happening? They didn't plan this scene. They don't know. Now see how they will react. If you plan or if you practice means perfectly will answer. Here they didn't expect this scene. Okay, the things which are happening, they didn't expect. So how they are going to answer now? See, is at a loss. He crosses to the front table. Ben, he is not able to answer. He is in confusion. So because he doesn't have brother only, so how can he say the name of the brother? So atanki em cheppalo artham kaakunda just he is in confusion at the time. See, right side of the table prompting Frederick. Immediately Mrs. Slater, ammayilu just they are really, they are very active, hyperactive they are. So they are witty in nature. Sudden, all of a sudden Mrs. Slater, no, she said that Frederick pakka nunchi. So right side of the table, atan table mundu kuchunnadu kada, right side of the table Slater undi ante evaru, Amelia. So she said the name Frederick అని అందించింది. సో హియర్ మిసెస్ జార్డన్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ద టేబుల్ కి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఎవరు ఉన్నారు? ఎలిజబెత్ వాళ్ళ వైఫ్ ఉన్నారు. సో ఆమె ఇచ్చింది చూడండి, ప్రాంప్టింగ్ ఆల్బర్ట్. సో ఆ అమ్మాయి వచ్చి ఇంకొక నేమ్ ఇచ్చింది, ఆల్బర్ట్. ఈ అమ్మాయి ఏమో ఫ్రెడరిక్, షీ హాస్ గివెన్ ఫ్రెడరిక్. అండ్ ఎలిజబెత్, షీ హాస్ గివెన్ ద నేమ్ as Albert. So Ben, he is confused. Fred, Isaac. So now he got confused. And he is telling all the names. One after one, he is telling that Fred, Isaac, like that. So at that time, Abel, Isaac, and where did your brother Isaac die? So he just at last he understood that Isaac is the name of his brother. Then he asked, okay, Isaac, okay, where did your brother Isaac die? ఎక్కడ చనిపోయారు అతను? సో he is not leaving with one question. ఒక్క క్వశ్చన్ తో వదిలిపెట్టడం లేదు అతను. So he is asking one after one. So many questions he is asking. So where did he die? Like that. In Australia, he said. Immediately he got one country in his mouth. So he said that in Australia he died. Well, I suppose you have only been waiting for me to begin tea. I'm feeling hungry. So he said that maybe you are waiting for me to drink tea. నా కోసమే మీరు వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నట్టున్నారు టీ తాగడానికి. సో till now you didn't drink means maybe you are waiting for me. ఆల్రెడీ అతను చనిపోయారని వీళ్ళు తాగుతున్నారు. ఓకే, బట్ he thought that నా కోసమే మీరు ఇంతసేపు వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఓకే, let us have tea. మనం అందరం కలిసి టీ తాగుదాం. Like that he said. Mrs. Slater taking up the kettle. Already she placed the kettle on the fire. Already wait చేయడానికి పెట్టింది కదమ్మా kettle ని. Now she has taken the kettle. Yes, I'll make tea. And Abel, come along, now sit you down and let us be jolly. And he is telling that, let us enjoy, come and sit, let us enjoy, all of us enjoy together. We are together now. So let us enjoy like that, he said. Abel sits at the head of the table facing spectators. Head of the table, maybe you have observed a conference. So movies lo chusaru kadamma, conference jarugutu untayi. So at that time what they will do, andaru it side కూర్చుంటారు. హెడ్ ఆఫ్ ద టేబుల్ అంటే కార్నర్ లో ఉంటది కదా, అక్కడ ఎవరైతే జస్ట్ అడ్రస్సింగ్, ఎవరైతే మెయిన్ గా ఉంటారో ఆ పర్సన్ వచ్చి ఇట్ సైడ్ కూర్చుంటాడు. ఇట్ సైడ్ పొడుగుగా ఉన్న చోట ఎవరు కూర్చుంటారు, అందరు మెంబర్స్ కూర్చుంటారు. సో ద హెడ్ ఆఫ్ ద టేబుల్ ఉంటుంది కదా, అక్కడ వచ్చి ఎవరైతే మెయిన్ పర్సన్ ఉంటారో వాళ్ళు కూర్చుంటారు. సో నౌ హీ ఈస్ సిట్టింగ్ అట్ ద హెడ్ ఆఫ్ ద టేబుల్ అండ్ హీ ఈస్ కాలింగ్ ఎవ్రీవన్ టు ఎంజాయ్ because all the members they gathered after many days. చాలా రోజుల తర్వాత అందరూ కలిసారు. So you can see in the picture. So Mahendra, next slide you can put. In that picture you can see page number 47. You can see that father is sitting there at the head of the table and the remaining people they are sitting, and Vicky is also sitting there beside grandpa. You can see the picture there. So in the textbook it is there, it is so clear, you can observe that one. Abel, suddenly recollecting, Amelia and Henry, what the devil did you mean by shifting my bureau out of my bedroom? Henry and Mrs. Slater are speechless. Do you hear me, Henry, Amelia? So immediately he has observed that bureau, the table is a writing desk. He has observed that one. And immediately he got angry. What happened to you? What devil has occupied you? Why did you bring my table down from my bedroom? So na bedroom lo nunchi aa table evaru ikkada teeskochi pettindi? That bureau, who has brought that bureau here from my bedroom? Like started shouting.
Madam.
Okay. So immediately these people.
Madam.
Yes, Mahendra.
Madam, 3 minutes undi madam.
Mahendra.
3 minutes undi madam.
Okay, Mahendra.
ఒక్క నిమిషం మేడం. భరత్ కుమార్ సత్యవేడు, ఒక్క నిమిషం మేడం.
ఓకే మహేంద్ర.
సార్ అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి సత్యవేడు.
సార్ చెప్పండి మహేంద్ర.
సార్ భరత్ కుమార్ అంట, ఎవరు హాయ్ ఫోన్ నెంబర్ అంటాడు, ఏందంట అబ్బాయి కథ?
అందుకే నేను చాటింగ్ క్లోజ్ చేసా మహేంద్ర అని చెప్పిన.
చాటింగ్ అంటే సారు ఒకసారి వచ్చి చాట్ చేస్తాడు దాంట్లో, అందుకని పెట్టున్నా నేను. సరే మేడం, కంటిన్యూషన్ కాదు మేడం.
Yes, immediately he got angry and he said that what devil has occupied you? ఏమన్నా దెయ్యం పట్టిందా మీకు? పై నుంచి నా టేబుల్ ఎవరు తీసుకొచ్చారు? Like that he started scolding. And these people they became speechless. ఏం మాట్లాడాలో అర్థం కాలేదు వాళ్ళకి. సో ఆల్రెడీ దే గాట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్డ్. ఆ స్లిప్పర్స్ గురించి ఏదో అట్లా మేనేజ్ చేశారు. బట్ బ్యూరో కిందకి ఎందుకు దే ఆర్ స్పీచ్లెస్ అండ్ see what they are doing. Yes, what bureau was that, father? So immediately this Jordan, she asked, what bureau was that, father? So what bureau you are speaking about? అంతకుముందే ఏం చెప్పిందమ్మా ఎలిజబెత్ కి? సో ఆల్రెడీ ఎమ్మెల్యే వాట్ డిడ్ షీ సే? హెన్రీ తీసుకొచ్చారు, మా ఆయన తీసుకొచ్చారు టేబుల్ అని చెప్పింది కదా. సో నౌ హీ ఈస్ ఎంక్వైరింగ్. ఇమీడియట్లీ ఎలిజబెత్ మధ్యలోకి వచ్చి, ఏ టేబుల్ నాన్నగారు మీరు మాట్లాడుతుంది? అబౌట్ విచ్ టేబుల్? అబౌట్ విచ్ బ్యూరో యు ఆర్ స్పీకింగ్ అబౌట్? లైక్ దట్ షీ ఎంక్వైర్డ్. Yes, Abel. Why? My bureau, the one I bought. So he said that I'm speaking about my bureau. So ఏ టేబుల్ ఏందమ్మా? నేను తీసుకొచ్చిన టేబుల్ which I have brought. So I'm speaking about my table, like that he said. Okay, with this we have completed this page number 47. We'll continue in next class. Yes, that day I have given some questions to you. Mahendra. Mahendra.
మేడం తీసేసాను మ్యూట్ అందరిని. అన్మ్యూట్.
Okay. Yes, my students already I have given that 15 questions to you. Just I didn't see anyone has written that answers. Why didn't you write the answers for that, ma? 15 questions పంపించాను కదా మీకు WhatsApp లో. Just I told you to write the answers and post. Why didn't you? ఎందుకమ్మా పంపించలేదు? ఎందుకు రాయలేదు ఆన్సర్స్? Students, why didn't you write? I'm asking you only. Guys, anyone can answer?